welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today, we will be cooking Glazed Banana Turon. Palagi natin ang problema sa banana turon ay kung na siya, cool off na siya, hindi na siya crispy. Pero itong Glazed Banana Turon natin, it will stay crispy even the next day. So, I'll show you how to make the Glazed Banana Turon. Let's cook! Ito na ang ating mga sangkap sa ating Glazed Banana Turon. Ito ay, kasi dito sa Wyoming, wala kaming preskong saging na naibenta dyan sa, sa Asian store. So what I do, I buy a bunch of bananas and then I blanch it and freeze them. So this is the banana that I already thawed out, ready for our Glazed Banana Turon. And this is the jackfruit. I just get a can of jackfruit, and then what I do is just slice them like so. Kasi mahal ang jackfruit. So you slice this in several slices. Because this is just like a flavoring for our Glazed Banana Turon. And then you just slice it like so. Okay? And then, since this is going to be glazed, so we will be putting a lot of sugar because that's what's going to glaze our banana turon. Okay, let's start wrapping them. And as I said, these are already blanched bananas, so it should not take long to cook this. I said you put a lot of sugar in here because it's really glazed. And then you put your and then the thing is, make sure you wrap it tight like that. This will make your turon really crispy even the next day. It will stay crispy. Because when you don't put the glaze, it don't, a few hours and your turon, when it gets cold, it's already soggy. So when you glaze it like this, it will stay crispy all day. Even the next day, it will still crispy. Eto na, prepritohin na natin ang ating banana turon. Ito, na warm up na yung oil. Ito na, nag-golden brown na ang ating turon. Saka yung first nilalagay ko nito, pwede na natin haunin. Ito na ang ating banana turon. So, tikman natin. Merong yan sa loob. Merong jackfruit. So crunchy. So good. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.